Are you planning a bathroom renovation but not sure where to start? Crisan Junk Removal has you covered. We offer fast, reliable bathroom demolition services in San Diego. Whether you need to tear out old tiles, fixtures, or even knock down walls, our team of professionals will handle it all, making the process easy and stress-free for you. At Crisan Junk Removal, safety and precision are our top priorities. We carefully dismantle your bathroom, ensuring no damage to surrounding areas, and responsibly haul away all the debris. From bathtubs to sinks, countertops to flooring, we take care of everything, leaving your space ready for the next phase of your remodel. We work quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime so you can stay on schedule with your renovation. Ready to transform your bathroom? Let Crisan Junk Removal take care of the demolition so you can focus on your dream space. With affordable rates, professional service, and a commitment to clean, eco-friendly disposal, we make bathroom demolition in San Diego easier than ever. Contact us today to schedule your service and kickstart your renovation project.